Tamara here, and thanks for joining my channel where we talk about how to make money online, usually through affiliate marketing. So make sure you hit that and subscribe and all that jazz. Big news coming with the 7-Figure Accelerator, which is like a high-ticket affiliate marketing mentorship program, which is amaze balls. So today we're talking about the latest updates, our June sale where you can save over $500. What? Plus my bonuses and any other news that you need to know about the 7 figures, as well as I'm going to take you inside look on what you would get inside the main training course, and also talk about the weekly live Zoom calls with the owner, Philip, where you get one-on-one interaction. There's so much to talk about the 7-Figure Accelerator. So we will start off by showing you income proof, because why not? That's one thing I always look at for first is, does this program or system work? And are people making money with it? I personally have made $1,000 so far, and I'm just ramping it up. Let's go into their free Facebook group and take a little look at how much and how often it's daily are people making money with this. And one note I want to say is the training you're going to get in here in the course, as well as the weekly live Zoom calls, you don't have to promote the 7-Figure Accelerator, but when you're making a minimum commission of $12.50 per sale, and that could actually go up to thousands more, then why wouldn't you? But what I'm saying, what you learn in here, you can apply to any affiliate program or even any online business you want. Okay, so you do not have to promote it if you don't want to. But many people do because it's awesome. Oh, and also Philip, the creator, he's just announced massive prizes for the end of the year. Apparently he's given away cars, he's given away holidays to the Maldives, a holiday to Dubai to hang out with him one-on-one for 2 days, even a diamond ring. So once we get all the details for those prizes, I will do a new video. However, for now, let's head into the Facebook group and see some 7-Figure Accelerator income proof. Show me the money. Okay, so this is inside the free Facebook group. So when you do join, the option page, which is here, then the emails you're going to get at the bottom, there'll be an invite to join this Facebook. Okay. So here's just some of them that, like I said, these are daily. So that was like 40 minutes ago. All right. $522. And the thing that's so awesome with the 7-Figure Accelerator is that you don't have to do any paid traffic. Okay. It's basically teaching you how to go viral on social media like Instagram, TikTok, even Facebook. All right. So look, like this girl on Facebook, over 431,000 views. There you go. This is in one day. Over $2,000. Thousand. Now, because we have a June sale right now. Oh, another big news I forgot to mention is that our commissions have gone up. So the minimum that you'll make is 50%. Okay. So I will show you a little breakdown on the commissions as well. But because we have the June sale where you can save $500, and this will be the lowest you'll ever find the 7-figure pricing point. So if you're thinking about it, you're on the fence, please hit the link below and at least check out the video, which you will get immediate access to right after you watch this video and put in your details. It's amazing. Like, I almost bought it again. So once the June sale's over, then the minimum will be $12.50. Like I said, 2.1 million views. You can use this for any affiliate marketing system or your own. So you do not have to promote it. But like I'm saying, when you can make $12.50 in commissions minimum, then of course you are. Like, look at all these people. And most of these people are newbies, have absolutely no experience with affiliate marketing. So they're just like, whoa, that's so awesome. So it keeps on going. And like I said, it's a daily thing. You're going to see things like this all the time. Okay, so this is the new commissions. So like I said, 50% is the minimum. So you just join Seven Figure Accelerator, you're going to get 50% if they buy directly from the funnel. Okay. So we do have the option where you can speak to somebody about it and then it drops to 37% because Philip has to pay his sales team, which there's 10 people on that alone. And then if people do decide to upgrade, like I did, I have the elite mentoring, then you're going to make 36%. And then we have various upgrades as well that you can do. You can hear all about that on your onboarding call after you join. This one, the inner circle is 10,000. So 22%, that's $2,200. And then obviously the higher you go up, like I have elite mentoring, so I make 55%. And it's 5% more across the board kind of thing. And this is the mastermind inner circle. So, the more you go up, the more you make. Plus also the extra one-on-one time you get with Philip, as well as a bunch of other stuff. But right now, we'll just talk about the main product itself. Okay. Like I said, that's 50% plus on any upgrades as well. So what I love about the Seven Figure Accelerator and where I think it differs from any other systems that I've joined before, done for you systems, because that's the thing with Seven Figure. You do not have to set up anything yourself. It is all done for you. So they set up your funnel. They set up your 60 email follow-ups that are done for you that already have your affiliate link in there. So literally all you have to do is follow the training and start posting videos on social media. And again, they show you exactly what to do. So what really changes it around is that, so there's Philip, there's me, is that every Wednesday at 10 a.m. EST time, there's a live Zoom call, which usually lasts between 2.5 to 3 hours. So Philip will start off with any latest news or questions, and then you could ask him, like, this is my TikTok profile or my Instagram profile. Can you check it out? Or I modeled my video that had 2 million views, but I only got a couple hundred. Why is that? And he'll literally go through exactly what you need to change to make it better. So these alone are worth their weight in gold, to be honest, because you are getting one-on-one help, even if it's a group of people. You just wait your turn, you put your hand up and he'll get to you, right? You'll not find this anywhere else in any of the course, unless you are paying $10, $50, $100,000 a year. And that's another thing. The Seven Figure Accelerator, it's a one-time payment. That's it. It's for life. So we'll go inside the modules. So under each of these modules, there's a bunch of videos. So I think there is 105 lessons. And he just added about 7 lessons recently. So again, these are always being updated as well. Okay. So every step of the way, it's there for you. And also another great thing they're doing is last month they started doing live Q&As with their top affiliates. And again, this one lasted 3 hours. Obviously, you don't stay for that length of time, and they're all recorded in our Seven Figure Facebook group too. So if you miss them live, you can always watch the replays. Obviously, it's better to be there live because you can get your questions answered. Okay, so these are the modules. And if you already have an email list with subscribers, then again, he gives us monthly emails as well that you can send out to your subscribers already. But if, like I said, if you're completely new, then you basically are being taken by the hand and shown exactly what to do. So for example, like traffic, how many modules in here? Okay. There's 3 pages. So that's what I'm saying. If you're brand new and just looking to either just use this as a side hustle to make a few extra $1,000, because like I said, 2 sales pays for the course completely. Okay. Minimum. So yeah, lots in here. And that's why I like, because it's not static, new videos are being added in here. But with the weekly lives, and like I get 2 in the inner circle, I get Mondays and Wednesdays. Plus there's also mindset live Zooms, usually weekly as well. And we're getting the monthly Q&A with the top affiliates. So there's just lots and lots of support as well as the training. So let's get over to my bonuses. All right. So like I said, that $500 discount is until July 1st, and I think 7 a.m. EST time. So get in there now. You'll see it again once you join. and watch the video, then you're going to see the pricing. And there's also financing options as well. You can check out for select countries. Let's get back to my 7-figure accelerator bonuses. So not only do you not set up the business yourself, like I said, sales funnel is done for you. The email follow-ups are done for you. And now I'm going to give you the bonuses that are done for you. So you'll get your own link to a bonus page like this with your links, and I will host it for you for free. And you can also join my affiliate marketing membership site, which has all of the programs or systems that I use that I made money with. So you'll get full free lifetime access to that as well. Also, once you get your emails, you're going to get this page here, which has a bunch of free training, and it breaks down just a whole bunch of stuff. Her and her husband, they made $400,000 in 7 months. I know of another lady, she made in March and she'll join in January. She's a British teacher. She made $102,000 in March, just 1 month. And there's that again, commission breakdown. I do have some other traffic sources you can use. So you basically get all of these. These are all video courses, training courses as well, just to help you get even more free traffic. Okay. And like I said, you'll get a copy of this page that you can add to your emails that are done for you at the bottom. Just say, oh, check out my bonus pages. You'll get these as well. I think that is about a wrap. And like I said, just making phenomenal amount of money. So if you are all in, at least check out, watch the video, see what they got to say. If you're interested at all, I would definitely get this before July 1st. So you save $500. And like I said, 2 sales pays for it. That's lifetime. Okay. So click the link below, get over to this page here. And if you have any questions, leave the comments below or just reply to any of my emails and I'll help you out. All righty. Catch you next time. And like I said, make sure you subscribe and click on that like button for me. All right. Have an awesome day. Cheers.